Hello everyone, and welcome to the lecture on personal websites and online portfolios. Personal web pages are a great way to showcase your online portfolio or your blog, so we're going to discuss some options and set you up with some links to check out and see what works for you. As far as blogging platforms, some of the most popular ones right now are Medium, WordPress, and Blogger.com. I personally like Medium, but I encourage you to check all three of them out and see what works for you. Blogging is a great way to show recruiters that you're interested personally in the topics of programming and can give them some insight into your own personal projects and what you're interested in. As far as website creation goes, if you plan on applying for web development or UI positions, any job where you're required to use HTML or CSS or JavaScript, you should actually definitely be building your site from scratch. So I'll just leave it at that. Since web development and website creation is going to be part of your job, you should already be familiar with this and you should probably already have your own web presence. If you're looking for more standard programming jobs, then there's website creation services. These services are basically just drag and drop interfaces that make it really easy to create your own website. Some of these services right now include Weebly, Wix, Squarespace. There's tons of options, so Google around for more. A lot of them provide free versions on their own subdomains. So for instance, you could get yourname.weebly.com if you don't want to pay for a domain name. If you do want to pay for your own domain name, I suggest you check out Namecheap or Google Domains as ways of buying your domain. But again, Google around for purchasing domains. As far as the basics of a personal website, make sure to keep it updated during your job search. If you're running a blog, it's a great way to keep track of everything you're learning. So I would definitely recommend blogging your process of learning about different things, about data structures and algorithms. Recruiters love to see that kind of stuff. One final note, personal websites and personal pages aren't really as necessary as a LinkedIn profile, but they can definitely improve your standings among other candidates, especially if you have an impressive online portfolio on your personal website. So with that being said, go ahead and check out some of those links if you are interested in blogging or starting your own personal website, but I'll leave that up to you. It's more important that you focus on your LinkedIn if you're just beginning your job search right now than building up your personal website. So if you're just starting out, I would recommend build out your LinkedIn and GitHub, and then maybe start a blog and keep track of what you're learning so far. Alright everyone, thanks, and I'll see you at the next lecture.